user experience design is so important to a product that even something as small as an input box deserves thorough UX research. When you are registering for a website or a service, the whole flow seems so smooth and easy. It's because many UX tips are applied to streamline your experience. Here are some input box design tips that you can use today. Number 1, tell your user what's wrong. For example, when you're registering for a Gmail account and the email address is already taken, Google will change the color of the text in that input box to red and tell you an account already exists. In doing so, Google lets you correct your mistakes when they are being made, so you don't have to return to square one after submission. Number 2, don't blame users for their mistakes. Positive language in prompts can help the user feel welcomed. Instead of saying you have left out a number and a capital letter, consider saying something like, please include a number and a capital letter when creating the password. Number 3, don't be technical to your users. When a user makes mistake, you will need to point out to them what the mistake is and how to fix it. Suppose a user entered a wrong password. Instead of saying invalid input, just tell them the password is incorrect. Last but not the least, the prompt in an input box should always be visible. Users tend to forget what they are putting in from time to time. And so it's a good idea to keep the tag there no matter what. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.